Local news for Tuesday the 11th of June. Police have located two clues in the search for missing 49-year-old trapper Darren Myers. On Saturday, a search team found a chocolate bar wrapper wedged in rocks in the headwaters of the Arete stream. A second search team located a series of boot prints in mud en route near the Arete bivouac on Saturday. A free community event providing cultural diversity takes place in Masterton this Saturday. Free food and performances have been organised by the students of Te Kura Kōpapa Māori o Wairarapa, Makaurau and Kirinui colleges. The Youth Standing Together Toi Whakahi event kicks off at 3 p.m. Saturday at the Wairarapa College Hall. And the Bay Young Viticulturalist of the Year competition for Wairarapa takes place in just 9 days' time. Held at Tikaranga, the national event will take place on the 26th of August. That's the final at Villa Maria's Te Awa Estate and continues throughout the Brigado Wine Conference, which is being held this year in Hawke's Bay. And in hockey, the Dalefield women had a win against Kapiti at the weekend, while the men suffered their first loss of the season. And for Wairarapa United, it was 2 losses for both the men's and the women's team.